Fly away 体中に広がるパノラマが受けられた地球が起こって火山を爆発させる
Hey, Master Designers! Tonight, we're gonna draw Ultimate Swampfire from Ben 10 Ultimate Alien. Ultimate Swampfire basically is the first ever alien that Ben transformed into, and the first alien he ever became during when he first obtained the Ultimatrix. And, well, I bet everyone's been craving the chance to draw this character. I never would have guessed that I would be drawing this guy, but tonight seems like a good time for it, a good night for it. One of these special features about the Ultimate Aliens, and that's that they have an Ultimate Matrix mark. This Ultimatrix mark also stands for their evolved states. Like I've done with the past aliens in the past. Just ask this. What if this guy fought against Broly? As you have noticed, that Ultimate Swampfire.
Like that. If you're not sure what to play next, I can recommend some music. Would you like to get started?
No thanks. Anyway, Ultimate Swampfire basically looks like a tree, only with more, the blob-like color. Like substances that look like spores. Did I forget to mention he blasts out blue fire? That's interesting. Alexa, play Bakugan.
Sorry, I am having trouble playing the music from your library. Sorry, I am having trouble playing the music from your library.
Now for the last match here. He's got these fruits that grow on his arms.
My Bakugan in my hand, we will fight till the end. Grab the screen,
There's the spores.
the Bakugan of my dreams.
And finished. That's how you draw Ultimate Swampfire. It's been a long time since I've drawn something like him. Finally completed. Stegosaurus, see you later. That's all for now. Please like, rock, and subscribe to my channel. Good night.